there. This is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today we're going to talk about how to add your printer to your wireless network. That's what you have to do if you're going to print wirelessly. You have to run the software on your computer and install the printer drivers on the computer, but before you do that, you have to add the printer to your wireless network. So this is a Brother 835 J835DW, and I'm going to walk you through how to install this on your wireless network. All printers should work about the same way. They may have slightly different menus, but this is the basic idea of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Menu, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Network. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on where it says Wireless LAN right there. And then you're going to look for something that says Setup Wizard. It might say Wireless LAN Setup Wizard or Wi-Fi Setup Wizard, but you're going to click on that. And then it's going to look for your SSID. If you haven't changed it, your SSID, which is the name of your network, should be being broadcast. And your printer is going to find it, and yep, it found my network. Then you're going to click on the network, and it's going to ask you to type in the Wi-Fi password. And then you type in the Wi-Fi password, and you select OK, and then it should